Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Lou with iCritique. So tonight is a review of my Dyson V11-Torque Drive vacuum cleaner. I have had this product for about a couple of years, since 2020, and it'll be 2 years on June 12, 2022, which is this year. And for the last 22 years, I had been using an upright Kenmore with HEPA filter vacuum cleaner. And the reason why I decided to go ahead and buy a new one was because this Kenmore was producing this burnt hair smell. So at the time, QVC was running a special on the Dyson V11-Torque Drive, which was selling for $799 plus tax, with no shipping fee and with a 2-year warranty. So my review on this Dyson V11-Torque Drive vacuum cleaner is not going to be technical at all, because I feel that the parts and attachments that come with this product are very easy to figure out and self-explanatory. And of course, it comes with instructions to put it together. In terms of guiding you in purchasing this product, I'm only going to emphasize on 3 criteria, which is ease of use, maintenance, and problems. So with the ease of use on this product, I must say that I find this product very, very easy to use because it's very light. It is a cordless vacuum cleaner. Just on a side note, my upright Kenmore vacuum cleaner wasn't cordless and it was very heavy, and therefore I avoided cleaning steps and higher surface because I would have to carry this vacuum cleaner everywhere in order to do so. With this Dyson V11-Torque cordless vacuum cleaner, everything has been possible. I can actually clean not just the floor or carpet, I can actually clean the steps going down to my basement, as well as the windows, curtains, window treatments, the windowsills, ceilings, and etc., etc. I do apologize guys, but my GoPro SD card has stopped working and I have been trying to format it, but it would not format. Anyway, so on with the second criteria is the maintenance. Since this particular product does not require a bag, I don't have to buy or replace the bag, unlike my upright Kenmore vacuum cleaner. And I'm going to show you real quick. So this is the base. This part collects, as you can see, dust, hair, everything. And all you have to do is open it and dump it, empty it out into trash can. This is the filter that comes with it. And as you can see, very easy to detach or take off. Once the side is full of dust, all you have to do is run it under cold water. You can actually wash it through here. This whole thing can be wet, and then you let it dry for about 2 to 3 days or 4 days, depending on how fast it dries. What you can do is, after it is clean, all you gotta do is put it back on the base. So to prevent having to wait for that particular filter, I actually bought a replacement filter. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I bought it from Amazon or Dyson, and I will link down below on how much I paid for it. And to me, that was worth it because I can actually just alternate the two. As far as the roller that picks up the dust and the crumbs and the hair, and as you can see, I have long hair, actually picks up a lot of hair and keeps it inside here. And if there's anything on the roller, there's only a little bit, and it's not very hard to take that hair off the roller. Unlike my Kenmore, it'll just kind of accumulate on the roller part of the vacuum cleaner, and you would have to really work on it to pull off, you know, the strands of hair from the roller. So that's another good thing about this Dyson. Now let's move on to the third criteria, which is problems. The only problem I had with this one was actually I'm sorry about that, the handle that turns this on. It was actually worn out. So every time I turn it on, it would either turn on and then it'll stop, and or it wouldn't turn on at all. So what I did was, since this is still under warranty, luckily we had one dealer to go to in this entire state. And when I went there, he actually replaced the handle and now it's working again. And a couple of days later, I was actually surprised that Dyson sent me another base. So when this breaks completely, which I think the heart of the entire product, I will have a brand new one to last me another, I don't know, hopefully more than 2 years. Oh, on a side note, I also want to let you know that I do recommend this product. So anyways, guys, I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. And if you have any concerns, questions, comments, just write them down below and I will answer accordingly. Until next time, God bless, relax, relate, and release.